The Spanish phrase for today's video is I like playing video games. Me gusta jugar videojuegos. This is a four-word phrase. Me, this means to me, and it shows that something is pleasing to the speaker. Gusta comes from the word gustar, meaning to like, and in this form, it means is pleasing. So literally, me gusta means it's pleasing to me, I like it. Jugar, this means to play. This is the infinitive form of the verb. And videojuegos, meaning video games. It's a compound word consisting of video, meaning video, and juegos, meaning games. Putting it all together, you get me gusta jugar videojuegos. I like playing video games. Now, let's hear it in a sentence. He estado pensando. Me gusta jugar videojuegos.
¿Y si pudieras hacer algo con eso?
¿Como hacer streaming o subir videos?
Exacto. Nunca sabes si funcionará hasta que lo intentes.
Again, the phrase is me gusta jugar videojuegos. I like playing video games. So, let me know in the comment section below. ¿Cuál es tu videojuego favorito? El mío es Smash. And, if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.